If your Google Drive is stuck on the waiting to upload error, don't worry, this usually happens because of a browser cache issue, a temporary session glitch, or a problem with the current tab. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to fix it so you can get your files uploading again without frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, check if the file is still stuck on waiting to upload. If it is, the next step is to open the browser menu by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From there, choose New Incognito window. Opening an incognito window is useful because it gives you a clean browsing session without the usual cached data, cookies, or extensions interfering with Google Drive. Now in the incognito window, go back to drive.google.com and sign in again with the same account. After that, try uploading your file one more time. In many cases, this alone can fix the waiting to upload problem because it resets the browser session and clears temporary conflicts. If your upload still doesn't work, the next thing to do is go back to the three vertical dots in your browser and click Settings. A new Settings tab will open. In that tab, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section controls data that your browser stores locally, and clearing the right data can often resolve upload issues. Now click Delete Browsing Data. When the data options appear, make sure you check cached images and files. This is the important part, because cached files can become corrupted and prevent Google Drive from uploading properly. Once that box is selected, click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. After the cache is cleared, return to Google Drive and refresh the page. Then try uploading your file again. In most cases, this refreshes the connection and removes the glitch that caused the waiting to upload message in the first place. If it still happens, you can repeat the process in a fresh incognito window or try another browser, but clearing the cache is usually the fastest fix. So to recap, you open Google Drive, try incognito mode, then clear cached images and files in your browser settings, and finally test the upload again. This simple method solves the issue for a lot of users and can save you a ton of time. If this video helped you fix the Google Drive waiting to upload error, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.